Headlight adjustment is directly related to safety, as it prevents glare that can dazzle other road users. But not only. Starting in 2027, a new regulation will require mandatory automatic headlight leveling, traditionally achieved with hardware sensors on suspension arms, which are often prone to wear, tear, and failure. What if you could eliminate that hardware? COMPREDICT's automatic headlight leveling virtual sensor replaces physical sensors with smart and software-driven algorithms, calculating real-time pitch of the vehicle to automatically adjust headlamp. Using existing data like speed, acceleration, our solution continuously estimates vehicle pitch. Even when parked or fully loaded, our solution is compliant with the upcoming UNR 48 regulation. Acceleration and braking. Slopes or corrugated roads. With COMPREDICT's automatic headlight leveling virtual sensor, remove all hardware and save up to €20 per vehicle. Get a solution compliant with new 2027 UNR 48 regulation. Avoid sensors tear and wear with a 100% software-driven solution. Get started now.